Therefore, for example, when you go to the market, you go there when you have the money that you are willing and able to spend on different quantities of a good or service. Therefore, the way you allocate your resources, the way you negotiate, the way you bargain, you bargain using some economic concepts. So economics, in a nutshell, it is the way the society or individuals tries to allocate their available scarce resources. Therefore, it can be defined based on scarcity. It can be defined based on utility, the way rational consumers tries to maximize their utility functions after consuming different goods and services. You can define it based on how producers tries to maximize their profit, the way businessmen and firms try to maximize their profit, etc., etc. You can define it based on welfare, how individuals try to maximize their welfare. But the most commonly used definition is the definition by Lionel Robbins, who defined economics based on scarcity, the way individuals, the way economic systems, the way rational consumers tries to allocate their scarce resources in order to maximize their welfares. Therefore, it is how you allocate the available scarce resources in order to maximize the welfare of an individual, the welfare of a firm, the welfare of a society, etc., etc. Therefore, you can use Lionel Robbins' definition to define economics, or you can define economics based on your own understanding. But when defining, don't forget some key terms such as scarcity, welfare, utility, etc., etc. Therefore, that is the brief understanding, a brief introduction to the meaning of economics.